Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we'll be showing you about the app realtor.com, real estate and rent, and how to use it. Let's get started. Realtor.com is a popular app that allows users to search for properties for sale, rent, or even commercial real estate. It's a comprehensive tool for home buyers, renters, and real estate investors, providing up-to-date listings and detailed property information. Now let's move to how to use. First of all, what you need to do is go to the App Store and install your app. If you haven't, tap on your App Store. So search realtor.com on your search bar at the top. Then after this icon pops up, tap on that, and once you're in, tap on the install button right here. So tap install and then open up your app. Once you're in, you need to log in if you already have an account, or you'll need to create an account. So upon logging in, first thing you need to enter your location, city, neighborhood, or zip code in the search bar to start searching. Then you can filter results by price, property type like house, apartment, and number of bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, or many more. You can view properties directly on the map, which also allows you to explore different neighborhoods visually. Now to explore listings, browse through detailed listings that include high quality photos, property descriptions, and floor plans. You can check property features such as parking, appliances, outdoor space, etc. And also you can view price history, school ratings, and nearby amenities. Now if you find a property you like, tap the heart icon to save it to your favorites for easy access later. Enable notifications so you're updated on new lists that match your criteria. And if you're interested in a property, you can contact the listing agent or property owner directly via phone, email, or text directly from the app. If you're ready to view a property, you can schedule a showing or find details about upcoming open houses. To apply for rentals, you can apply directly through the app in many cases, which will streamline your process. Realtor.com includes a mortgage calculator, so you can estimate your monthly payments based on the asking price and loan details. You can also check market trends and home values in your area to make informed decision about buying or renting. So that is all about your app realtor.com. I hope this video helped you out, guys. Like if it did, and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.